Hi guys, it's Ryan here off the Private Banking Forum, just doing my daily live journal. I'm just going to show you what I was looking at this morning and how I approached today. So first of all, I'm not going to go too in depth in the higher time frames, but I'm just going to look at the weekly and the monthly VWAPs. If we look at the monthly VWAPs, we currently came back down, and we came back into this month's developing VWAP yesterday, and we've seen a pullback to the developing value area low for the month, and this was a great confluence and support area at 104.50. Also looking at the weekly developing value, and as you can see, yesterday I was looking for rotations out of value, and we actually came back into value, and we see a mean reversion back to the benchmark price VWAP for the week. And today we've seen a pullback down to the developing value area low location. And I've also anchored a Midas VWAP from this point, just to see where the VWAP is from this anchor low. And as you can see, today we came right down to this week's initial balance and towards the developing value area low, and we actually hit this Midas VWAP from this anchor point. So this was a great confidence level for me. And also we've got yesterday's point of control at 104.40, and this distribution below us that we filled in yesterday from the that we were missing from the previous day. So if you merge these two profiles together, you can see we get this nice sort of distribution, and this been smoothed out. So just a couple of things that I'm keeping an eye on here. So at the minute, obviously, I don't want to see this market come back into value. I want to see rejection of yesterday's value and hold the point of control. And so what I saw off the open is this market rotate down to yesterday's value area towards the point of control. We saw some very nice buying absorption here at the lows, and you can see these nice thick prints, this 300 lot, and then you can see the buyers come back in and sort of hitting the bid up into VWAP, and we saw a little bit of a fight here with rotations, but as soon as we came back down to the low of the RTH session, you can see someone stepped in aggressively here, and they hit the bid up through the developing RTH VWAP, and I ended up getting both of my, well, I've got one of my scale outs here. My second scale out is at 97s at the minute, which is just up at these highs. So I'm probably going to take it off here because I've got about 30 ticks on this trade. So just wondering why I had I keep doing funny stuff with my targets recently, and I'm not sure why I put it there. I should have just gone for the 30 tick scale out on this. So I should have put it one tick in front of the ETH VWAP, which would have been 89s, but I missed it because I was faffing around with this video. So anyway, so this is what I saw off the open today, and obviously now we've got a breakthrough ETH VWAP, and we've got to see some rotations higher. Just a couple other things I'm looking at is obviously this this support area above us. Obviously, if we can blow through this support area above us, I'm going to be looking for targets at the 105.70 area, which is obviously this distribution area from a previous sell-off day. So just see what happens here if we break out and we see an expansion market and out of balance to the upside. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on how this trade develops and what and how I end up tackling this move as it develops. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Okay, just a quick update. It is 9:45. I managed to get fully scaled out on this position now. You can see we're still fighting with ETH VWAP, so I'm wondering if we're going to see a lower rotation here. Only time will tell. Very rotational off the open here, no real sort of decision. As you can see, we've just been batting from one extreme to the other on the developing RTH VWAP, so it'll be interesting to see what happens here. Just keep patient and manage risk. So at the minute I've got my stop towards the lows and below the initial balance, and just see what happens here. Obviously this is the low of day here today, so current low of day is at 104.46. just keep you I'll keep you posted on how this develops. Anyway, keep you posted. Okay, this was quite a tough area, but what I did here is we came down and we tested the initial balance low and the low of day again, and I added to my position here. Just on this, I got filled at 42, so just looking for my first scale out at 46s. I want to get this these scale outs done as quick as possible. We got a news event in about 3 minutes, so just keeping an eye on everything here, but I can see some a rejection of the IB lows at the minute, but it doesn't mean that we're not going to see a second push down. Just came down and tested the point of control, so my stop's still down here, and I'm still looking for this to come up rotations higher, so I'll keep you posted on what happens here. Okay, I've got one scale off out here, and just looking for the second now. Keep you posted. Okay, just a quick update on what I did. I gave this a little bit more room to breathe. I moved my stop down a little bit as we pushed through the initial balance. I mean, I put it just below this volume point of control. I've moved up a little bit now, but what I was looking at was every time we were on these rotations down, we were just seeing buyers stepping in, and there's clear absorption below the point of control here, and we see this come back into value here, and you can see that the buyers aggressively bidded this back up into value. So and this is what I was seeing here. I mean, I might have put a little bit more risk on my trade here, but I'd already banked 60 ticks this morning, and even though my core position is saying 54, I actually got filled on my second entry right down here. So I was only risking about 35 ticks on this stop, and that's what I was looking at. Obviously, was I wanted to stay in this market, because I did think that we were going to find support here. Like I said this morning, it was the developing value area month low, it's the weekly value area low, we've got the Midas VWAP, we've got the point of control. There's multi levels of confluence here that I was looking at. So this is just the reason why I did what I did in this trade, and I've just got my second scale out now. So as it stands this morning, I got in my core position, I scaled out 15-30 ticks, we came down lower, we tried to push the initial balance low and push further into the point of control. I jumped on with a full position again here, and I've got another 15 sort of 30 ticks here. So so far this morning I've been doing I've done all right. So, and if you're wondering also how I managed to bank 60 ticks this morning on this first trade, is I just I moved my targets up into logical locations, so I ended up getting a bit more than the 15-30 tick scale out. So anyway, I'll keep you posted on how this day develops now, and just in a minute we're just fighting with the developing value area low, and we do keep coming in. So if we come back up and test this ETH VWAP again, then I'm looking for a push through. I mean, we could see this reject, and we could see this just break through the value area low for the week and the month, and we could see a further rotation down. But as it stands at the minute, obviously this is confluence and this is support below us, so this is why I'm trying to buy this market. Anyway, I'll keep posted. Okay, just a quick update. It is currently 10:30 Eastern time. Finally seen this market reverse off these developing value area lows on the weekly and the monthly. Finally broken through ETH VWAP here. Just looking to test ETH value area high now and break out today's initial balance now and see a expansion to the upside. The target on this trade is a previous naked point of control level up here. So this is where I'm targeting in a minute, the 105.70. If we can break out above yesterday's high of day. So another thing I wanted to add, which I didn't add this morning, is obviously I split yesterday's balance out. This was yesterday's profile. As you can see, we had a balance in the morning and we broke out here. So I split these two out, and half of the reason I wanted to get long is I didn't want to see this market. I wanted to see this market reject the lower distribution from yesterday. As you can see, we've done this pretty clearly now, and we've finally broken out. We've got a nice rally going, so this trade's starting to work out now. Like I said, I'm going to target the 105.70 area here, so that's the target on this trade at the minute. Just just looking at a previous value area from this area. So the previous value area is at 105.20, so I'm just going to keep an eye on this location now. Another thing I wanted to talk about as well, which I didn't explain earlier, is why I was confident in this trade as well, was we see a nice sort of delta divergence. I mean, you can see this market made a lower low here, but we made a higher low in the delta, which shows that this push down to the point of control was through weak hands, and we're most likely going to try reverse here, which we did. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on how I end up targeting this final target on this core position. We are currently testing the weekly VWAP now, so obviously this is going to be confidence we're going to have to break through, but our final target does line up with the monthly VWAP, so let's see what happens here. Keep posted. Okay, this market has really broken out now. We're just approaching my target location. We missed it by 3 ticks, so just looking what's happening here, I can see a little bit of big prints coming in on here. Just going to keep an eye on this, so I don't want to see this fall back down, but this is my target area, so just looking to get my target filled now. This is the second push up into this area, so I'm just looking a couple ticks away. I'm just going to force fill this now. I'm over and done with. So I'm at this trade now. Just hit my final target location of 105.70, so that's me done for the day, pretty much today I think. I'll keep you posted once I evaluate this more. Well, that was a pretty impressive move in oil here. I mean, we came up and we tested a previous value area high here. So we just broke out this balance area and we just ripped all the way up to, like I said, that previous value area high up here. It's a great reference point. Also, we literally just ripped from one side of the developing value to the other. I mean, it did this not last week, but the week before, the previous Friday. I mean, we came back into value, same sort of scenario. We pulled back down to the developing value area low, and we just ripped from one side of value to the other. The exact same thing has occurred today on crude oil. Same day, Friday. This happened on the Friday too. So just something to observe here. Brilliant move. It was about a $2 move that was. So brilliant day trading here, and brilliant end to the week. So I mean, I've not even checked the ES out today. I probably won't even trade anymore. That'd be me done for the day. Great trade on crude. So anyway, on that note, I will probably finish this video up, and I hope you all had a great day, and I will catch you next week. Take care. Bye.